In this video, you will learn the comparison between Azure Data Factory and Databricks and AWS Glue. What is Azure Data Factory? Azure Data Factory, it is an orchestration and integration tool, whereas Databricks is a unified analytics platform, and AWS Glue is a serverless data integration. A practical comparison of cloud-native data integration platforms you will learn in this video. Coming to second point, what are these tools? The core definitions and then differences. Azure Data Factory, it is a cloud native ETL or ELT orchestration tool. It focuses on data movement, scheduling, and automation. It is a low code visual pipeline designer interface. What is Databricks? Databricks, it is a big data processing. You can process huge volume of data and you can do analytics, and you can use it for heavy transformation and streaming data and machine learning. And it is built on Apache Spark engine for speed. And coming to AWS Glue, it is a serverless ETL. Serverless ETL, it is completely managed in AWS. It is a Spark-based and code-driven approach. It is strong integration with the only AWS services, that is S3, Redshift, and Athena. The comparison table, it shows that user interface in Azure Data Factory, the main role, it is a orchestration, whereas a Databricks, it is a processing and analytics. AWS Glue, it is a ETL. User interface in Azure Data Factory, it is a drag and drop, it is a visual. In Databricks, you can write code in notebooks. In the Glue, it is a console plus code, both we can do. In the engine, it is a external, relies on IR, and Databricks, it is a built-in Spark, and Glue is managed Spark. And transform type is a low code mapping, and Databricks is code heavy, PySpark and SQL. AWS Glue also code heavy, and Python and Scala. Streaming support is in ADF, it is limited, but Databricks is heavy and Glue is also limited. And machine learning support, there is no support for machine learning in ADF, and Databricks, it is support, and Glue also no support. Learning curve, ADF is low, Databricks is high, AWS Glue is medium. So when to use which? Use ADF when you need pipeline orchestration. It is just an orchestration, and you have data and multiple data sources, cloud and on-premises, and minimal coding is preferred. It is just low code and visual drag and drop model. And whereas coming to Databricks, it is a large scale data processing. It is a complex business logic, transformations you can apply, and streaming and machine learning use cases you can use here. Whereas it is a Glue is fully on AWS ecosystem. It needs serverless Spark ETL and working with S3, Athena, and Redshift. So the final takeaway is ADF orchestrates data, Databricks processes data, and AWS Glue runs Spark ETL in AWS.